Back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Dogecoin. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Dogecoin. So please keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new in my channel, so I request everyone to please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. So my friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. If we talk about the currently price changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so you can see here 0.342705 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurring in the Dogecoin, so absolutely now in the current time is going bad of the Dogecoin. You can see here that the last 1 hour price change is negative. But remember, my friends, as I told you in my previous videos that the Dogecoin, the huge pump are coming soon, so now they are in the jumping mood, and that is the temporary phase of the Dogecoin. After some passage of time, after 30 minutes, after 20 minutes, the price change will become positive on the last 1 hour periods. And if you look the last 1 day price change is occurring in the Dogecoin, so you can see here that the last 1 day price change is still positive, and I hope that the price indices will be increased in the future, friends. Same like that, the last running price is also negative, as you know, if you're a holder, so you already know that why the price is fast down, friends. Let's see, my friends. So friends, you can see here, as I told you in my previous videos, that this jump will be the huge pump of the Dogecoin, and seem like it occurs now they are going upward. But as you can see here now, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change is negative, so this means that there is a small phase occur, and that is the temporary phase. Every cryptocurrency is fast down. Let me zoom it, you can easily understand. After some phase they again take a jump. You can see here, let me show you, friends. You can see here this time fast down, after fast jump, and now this time they again fast down, after this fast they will again jump. So don't worry about this fast, that is the temporary fast. With the passage of time they will again start moving upward. But I believe, I'm sure that this jump will be the huge pump of the Cardano, and they continue this kind of jump, I believe, my friends. Anyways, my friends, I'm not a financial advisor, and if you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research. But my suggestion, my recommendation for all of you is that it's time to hold, because now the price of the Dogecoin start moving upward. So when they reach to 0.50 USD dollar, when they reach to 1 USD dollar, so then is the perfect time for all of you to sell Dogecoin, please. Anyways, my friends, share your opinion and prediction in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much.